So, good afternoon everyone. I am the introduction of Miss Granville. So, topic is one, doubts and skepticism about the refraction. So, when you say doubts, kani mga duda or kani lagi ka nagduda kani sila din ka lang kuan ka nang kawalan ng tiwala ba? Sa nang na sila pagduda ba about sa kani kuan refraction. So others question the authenticity and significances of the refraction. Skeptics suggest that the retraction may have been fabricated or used and the result pure beliefs in freedom, justice, and the fight against colonial oppression remain unchanged until his death. So, daghay na mo tanan sa kani usay tinuod or sabay usay alagahan maaning kuan refraction. So daghay nagduda sa asa lagi kuan tinuod usay halagaan sa pag-iingon nga pagbawi sa pagsusulat ng Rizal. So the issue of the refraction of Rizal remains a subject and debate among historians, scholars, and the Filipino public. It highlights the complexities of historical interpretation and the influence of external pressures and the challenge of reconciling conflicting accounts. So regardless of the stance taken, the controversy surrounding the retraction underscores the ongoing examination of Rizal life, ideals, and his enduring legacy in Philippine history. So, isang po man ang kaning kuan ni Rizal ang pag-retraction sa iyang mga sulat, dibati gihapon nila, nagpabilin gihapon ng tugawan.